Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. So today I'm here with another one of my all-time faves. This is the Incipio Canaby Esquire Series for the iPhone XR. So I've reviewed the Carnaby Esquire Series for a lot of different phones, and it's one of my go-tos. It's great because you can use it for pretty much any social setting that you want. You can carry it for daily use. It looks great with a suit. I mean, it's called the Esquire Series, so it does exude a certain amount of professionalism and class that goes along with the name. But super cool. It's got this woven fabric design on it, and it also has 6 feet of drop protection. So here's a little insert here, tells you a little bit about the Esquire series. Zoom in on that a little bit. Thank you for your purchase. Warranted against defects for up to 1 year, so you get a 1-year warranty with it. Sorry about all the zoom stuff. I've been playing around with this new camera that I've got. So it's got the Incipio logo right here. Got nice buttons on the sides, open cutout there for the mute switch, and pretty much all the bells and whistles you could possibly ask for in a phone. And it's even got this felt-like material on the inside here that helps cushion and protect the back side of your phone, which is extra nice as well. So you can leave this in here for a long time, not have to worry about it messing it up. Now I will say one thing about this Carnaby Esquire Series case is it is one of the hardest cases in the world to actually get off of your phone. It does not want to let go, so breaking up is not easy when it comes to this phone case. So I do want to go ahead and throw that out there. But other than that, I have zero complaints about it whatsoever. It's still compatible with wireless charging. This woven fabric material that they have is just fantastic. It feels good, it wears in well. I mean, it just really makes the phone look nice. So, nice tactile feedback on the buttons. They do have a certain amount of clickiness to them, but it's kind of like a dull click. It's not like a snappy one that you're going to pick up or really hear, but it's got a good quality feel to it when you press the buttons. Easy open access to get to the mute switch there. You can use pretty much whatever finger that you want to get to that. And then here we also have easy access to get to the lightning charging port and the speakers on the bottom, so no problems there. You should be able to plug in whatever you need to, and then it's got a really good cutout there. Nice wide cutout, so you should be able to get even a media adapter. You got your USB dongle, all that stuff you can connect to it. Another nice feature about this phone case is that it has the raised lip that goes all the way around here, and then on the side, so that gives you added protection as well for your phone screen. That way, in the event that you want to place your phone down on a flat surface, you don't have to worry about scratching it up. Although there are a lot of good quality screen protector options for this phone, so I would definitely recommend having one of those. And then you've got the recessed cutout here for your camera and your LED flash, and also that back microphone back there. So definitely offers great comprehensive security. It looks good. It comes in 2 different colors. It comes in this black color, which looks almost kind of more like a gray. Well, actually it's gray colored, but it has black flecks in it. So it's gray color, and then they have a blue one. The blue one really doesn't look too blue, unless they've changed it from the ones in the past that I've had. The blue one just looks a little bit lighter. But overall, the color options are great. You get the 6 feet of drop protection. It's just a good, solid, all-around case, and I'm a big fan of it. So you can pick one up for $34.99 on Incipio's website, incipio.com. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down in the comments section. I'll get back with you. And as always, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time.